Do you need help styling the tall and narrow wall behind your toilet? Here are some of my favorite ideas. Let's start simple with artwork. Either stack 2 pieces of art or use one tall rectangular piece to fill the space. If you already have a pretty wallpaper, you may just need a tall plant or flower. Wallpaper is a great way to create an accent wall in this area, and you can add art and a sconce. You can also do an accent wall with paint like this example. Another great way to dress up the wall is with floating shelves. You can use 2 of them or just one and a towel bar. If you don't want to do shelves, then consider a storage cabinet like this. Baskets hung on the wall is a creative way to store your extra towels. Adding a decorative molding on this wall is a great way to add character. You can also add molding, artwork, and a pretty light like this one.